Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Google account. Sign in and choose an institutional email if you have one. Once signed in, open Google Scholar and select Create Profile. This establishes your public record. You add your name, affiliation, research interests, and a professional photo. Do this now so people recognize you. Make sure to add 3-5 representative publications first, because early citations and accurate titles speed indexing and reduce duplicate entries. Next, you search for your publications by title, DOI, or variant author names and import matching entries. This is how Google Scholar links citations to you. Once entries appear, merge duplicates and fix metadata, year, journal name, and author order matter for citation accuracy. If entries are missing, add them manually with accurate details. Then choose automatic updates for convenience, but check periodically, because automated matches can miss preprints or incorrectly attributed works. Finish by making your profile public, adjusting visibility and enabling citation alerts so you track impact. You should add keywords and link to your institutional page to improve discoverability. Once done, review the H-index and I-10 index for accuracy. If citations or items look wrong, remove the incorrect record and re-add it with correct metadata. That usually fixes misattributions. Finally, if problems continue, pause automatic updates, clean duplicates, then re-enable automation to let Scholar re-index your corrected profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.